Best travel drones. Are you looking for the best travel drones? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight, foldable drone designed for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it a hassle-free option for casual flyers. This compact drone boasts impressive performance and advanced features that deliver high-quality results. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 12MP camera, the Mini 2 captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and crisp still photos, making it ideal for content creators and hobbyists alike. Its ability to shoot smooth, stable footage even in windy conditions is a key advantage, offering cinematic results without the need for professional-grade equipment. The Mini 2 offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes on a full charge, allowing for extended aerial sessions. Combined with its 10 km HD video transmission range via OcuSync 2.0, it ensures a reliable connection and live-feed video with minimal latency, perfect for those looking to explore further and capture distant views. The drone features a variety of smart flight modes, including quick shots, which allows users to create dynamic videos with a few taps. Whether you're capturing a drone selfie, a smooth cinematic shot, or an orbiting motion, QuickShots simplifies the process and enhances the overall flying experience. For safety, the Mini 2 is equipped with GPS positioning, automatic return-to-home functionality, and obstacle sensors on its downward-facing side. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, allowing users to easily take it on the go. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 is a versatile and accessible drone that offers powerful features, excellent camera quality, and a compact design. It is an ideal choice for anyone looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage without the complexity of larger, more expensive drones. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI Plus Fly More Kit Plus is a powerful yet lightweight camera drone designed for both beginners and experienced users. It offers an excellent balance of advanced features, ease of use, and portability, making it an ideal choice for content creators and casual drone enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 Pro is its ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering stunning, high-quality footage with smooth motion. The 48MP camera captures sharp, detailed photos, making it perfect for photography and videography in various settings. The drone is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal for stable, vibration-free footage, even in windy conditions. The Flymore Kit Plus includes 2 additional batteries, allowing for up to 94 minutes of total flight time, a significant improvement over the standard flight time. This extended battery life provides users with more time to explore and capture breathtaking aerial shots without worrying about frequent recharging. The Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing, offering forward, backward, and downward sensors to help avoid collisions and enhance safety during flight. It also includes intelligent flight modes such as Focus Track and Master Shots, making it easier to capture dynamic footage with minimal effort. With the DJI RC controller, users benefit from a built-in screen for a clearer and more responsive viewing experience. The controller is ergonomic and easy to use, offering precise control over the drone's movements. Compact and foldable, the Mini 3 Pro is highly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI Plus Fly More Kit Plus offers an excellent mix of performance, ease of use, and extended flight capabilities, making it a top choice for those looking to capture stunning aerial content. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a top-tier drone designed for both professional photographers and enthusiasts, offering exceptional performance and cutting-edge features. Equipped with a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, it captures stunning 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 20MP photos, delivering outstanding clarity, dynamic range, and color accuracy. This makes it ideal for high-quality aerial photography and videography, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the Mavic 3's standout features is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which includes sensors on all sides of the drone. This advanced system provides 360-degree awareness, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making it easier to fly in tight or complex environments. The drone also includes the advanced auto return feature, which ensures the Mavic 3 will return to its starting point if the battery is low or the signal is lost, enhancing safety during flight. The Mavic 3 boasts an impressive 46-minute flight time, allowing for longer, uninterrupted aerial shoots. With 15 kilometers of video transmission range, the drone ensures a stable and high-quality live feed, even at extended distances. This long-range capability, paired with the OcuSync 3.0 transmission system, guarantees clear, real-time HD video transmission for a more immersive flying experience. Additionally, the Mavic 3 is FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring it meets legal requirements for safe and regulated drone operations. The drone's gray finish gives it a sleek, professional look, while its compact and foldable design makes it highly portable. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an advanced hobbyist, the DJI Mavic 3 offers exceptional camera quality, advanced flight features, and robust safety systems, making it an excellent choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Number 4. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is a powerful and versatile drone designed for both aerial photography enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 3-axis gimbal camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing for stunning 5.4K video capture at 30 frames per second and 20MP photos. This large sensor enhances low-light performance, providing clearer, more detailed images with superior dynamic range. The camera's stability, thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, ensures smooth footage even during complex maneuvers. Equipped with 4 directions of obstacle sensing, front, rear, upward, and downward, the Air 2S offers enhanced safety during flight. These sensors detect obstacles in the drone's path, allowing for smoother navigation and reducing the risk of collisions. This feature is particularly valuable when flying in challenging environments or tight spaces. The Air 2S has an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing for extended aerial shoots without frequent recharges. The Fly More Combo package includes 2 additional batteries, offering even more flight time for extended sessions. Additionally, the drone boasts a 12 km 1080p video transmission range, ensuring a stable and clear live video feed even at long distances, making it ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or following moving subjects. This combo package also includes extra accessories such as spare propellers, a charging hub, and a carrying bag, providing added convenience and portability for drone users. The Air 2S is an excellent choice for those who want a high-quality drone with advanced features, great safety systems, and the ability to capture professional-grade aerial footage. Number 5. The Parrot PF72800 ANAFI drone is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for both casual drone enthusiasts and more experienced users. One of its standout features is its 4K HDR camera, which captures high-quality video and still images with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera boasts a 180 degrees vertical swivel, allowing users to easily shoot from unique angles, including up and down, for creative perspectives that standard drones can't achieve. Designed for portability, the ANAFI is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry and ideal for travel. Despite its compact size, the drone offers a solid flight experience with impressive stability and responsiveness. It also operates quietly, a feature that is especially beneficial for outdoor shoots, reducing disturbance in natural environments. The drone is equipped with autonomous flight modes that help users capture complex shots effortlessly. Features like Smart Drones and Flight Plan enable automated flight paths, allowing for smooth and precise aerial footage with minimal input from the user. Whether you're shooting a video or taking photos, these features make it easier to realize your creative vision with minimal effort. In terms of flight time, the ANAFI provides up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, offering ample time for capturing footage during a typical shoot. Additionally, the drone's robust range and reliable GPS ensure stable flight, even in areas with some interference. With its combination of portability, advanced camera capabilities, and user-friendly features, the Parrot ANAFI is a great choice for those looking to capture high-quality aerial content with ease.